Hey guys, so I had asked to make a video about why I became or how I became vegan, and I've actually already made this video, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I thought I would film it again. And I'm not going to talk about how I came to be in the Raw Till 4 lifestyle. That'll be for another video, I mean, if you're even interested. But the reason why I went vegan was not for animal rights, and it was also not to look sexy. In January 2013, I had blood work drawn, and it came back saying that I had really high cholesterol, my triglycerides were just off the charts, and my sugar was really bad, like to the point where I was pre-diabetic. My doctor actually, when she called me in to read me my results, she would just sit there and shook her head like this. It was pretty bad. Also, up to that point, I had really high blood pressure. I was running 145/90 while on medication, and they just couldn't get it down. She kept upping my dosage, doubling it. It was a bad situation, and I'm only 27. At that point, I was 25. It was bad. My health was getting really bad. So I decided to eat healthy on the SAD diet. So what I did was I started eating a lot of salad, a lot of fruit, but I was still eating meat, and I was still eating dairy. I was eating cheese, and I tried to cut it down because I knew that cheese at that point had a lot of calories, and I was calorie counting. I was eating between 1,000 and 1,500 calories a day. But I still had chicken. I wasn't eating red meat, but I was eating grilled chicken at that point because I thought that was healthy. Everyone thinks that's healthy. So how I came to be vegan, prior to getting that blood work done, I started watching documentaries. I watched Vegucated was the first one I watched, and then just a couple other ones, Food Inc. and Forks Over Knives, and it resonated with me. It really made sense to me. So I actually, the way it happened is around the time that I was watching these documentaries, I actually ran out of chicken. I still had a bunch of salad and fruit, but I didn't have any more chicken, so I decided to just keep eating that way. So I actually went vegan cold turkey. Just stopped eating cheese, stopped eating dairy, stopped eating meat, and within 2 weeks my blood pressure had gone down so low that I actually had to take myself off of my medication because I was just so tired all the time because my medication was bringing my blood pressure down below what it should be because it corrected itself. So within 2 weeks, I started seeing great results going vegan. Mind you, I was still eating low calorie, I was still restricting, but I felt a lot better. I felt so much better going vegan. From that point, seeing how my results changed that quickly, I decided at that point I was never going back. And I found a lot of recipes on the Forks Over Knives website, because at first I really didn't know what to do. And I got tired of eating salad, and I got tired of eating just like I was eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So I found a lot of recipes which really helped, and I suggest that if you're going vegan to go ahead and check out Forks Over Knives, check out their website. They have a lot of really good recipes on there. Check out Engine 2 Diet. I think Kirk Esselstyn is Dr. Esselstyn's son. I think his name's Kirk. I'm not sure. But he has a book out, and he has a lot of good recipes, too. So check those out. But that's how I went vegan. I went vegan for health reasons. Later on down the line, everything kind of comes together where you start worrying about the animals, and it's for ethics. And then, once you're doing it, then the whole looking good thing comes into it too. It all comes full circle. It all catches up. But I went vegan for health reasons, and it completely changed my life. It changed my health. After 6 months of being vegan, I had more blood work done. My cholesterol was down. My blood sugars were down. I was normal, and my doctor was shocked. But it's funny because she was reading me my results, and she was just shocked by how good I was doing. I'm like, oh, I went vegan. And she's like, oh, that's great. keep doing it. It's working for you. It's wonderful. I'm like, yeah. I'm eating a lot of fruit. A lot of fruit. At that point, I was raw till 4. A lot of fruit. And she looked at me and she goes, well, just be careful with all that fruit. Make sure it doesn't bring your blood sugars up. And I'm like, you just saw my blood results and they were good. So what are you saying? But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But so that's how I became vegan. I'm glad I did. I'll never go back. And if you're interested in how I became raw till 4, leave me a comment and I'll tell you. But I didn't want this video to be too long, and it's already at 5 minutes. So if you're thinking about going vegan, definitely give it a try. At least do it for 30 days. 30 days, you'll feel so much better. You'll notice so many things change, allergy-wise, health-wise, skin-wise, nail-wise, everything. Your digestion will be different. The first couple of weeks will be kind of difficult, but you'll make it, and just stick with it, and it'll change your life. It really will. But if you have any questions about going vegan, I can help, or there's so many people on YouTube or on Instagram that are willing to help, because we really want you to feel as good as we feel. So if you have any questions about going vegan, feel free to let me know, and I'll try to help you the best I can.